happening guys, it's me Navneil and finally a video is up on the channel and it's about the unboxing of the Redmi Note 5, which I already did. Now let me give you an overview of the phone. The Redmi Note 5 comes with 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, or 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. I am having the 3 GB 32 GB variant with me. And yes, the processor is the old one as in Redmi Note 4, although the processor is one of the best performers in the mid-budget segment, but still we wanted an upgrade. Apart from that, it packs in a massive 4000 mAh battery inside. Let's now talk about the form factor. On the front there is the 5-inch 18:9 FHD Plus display with 2160x1080 resolution. The display indeed looks good as it follows the trend, but at the same time I didn't find it special. On the top of the display there is the 5 megapixel front camera with selfie light, and there are no physical navigation buttons as they are now on screen. On the right there is the volume rocker and the power button, and they are really tactile. On the left there is the hybrid SIM card slot, so no options for 2 SIMs and a micro SD card at the same time. On the top there are the 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster and the secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom there are the speaker and the microphone grills, including the micro USB port. On the back there is the 12 megapixel rear camera with f2.2 aperture, 1.25 micrometer large pixel and dual tone LED flash. Below the flash there is the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor was easy to set up and it's pretty accurate as well. Talking about the sensor, it has got all the necessary sensors like the gyroscope, compass, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor and so on. Redmi Note 5 comes with Android 7.1.2 Nougat along with MIUI 9.2 at the top, so no Oreo, a disappointment. About the storage, out of 32 GB you get around 25 GB. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The camera UI is the typical as we found in MIUI, and it has got a lot of features like geotagging, touch focus, face and smile detection, HDR, panorama, burst mode, etc. The rear camera can record video at max 2160 pixel at the rate 30 fps, and the front camera at max 1080 pixel at the rate 30 fps. Images turned out to be really good, and it seems there has been a notable improvement in the camera quality when compared to the previous generations, but I'll have to test it more. So that was the quick overview of the Redmi Note 5. Now I managed to buy this phone during the early sales, but still the video got delayed due to my unavoidable academic problems. Anyways, I will be dropping the full review as soon as possible. Till then, keep loving tech from your heart.